So let me start the pictorial representation of data, which is given on page number 217. It is I'm going with the request of Pratyaksh, as he was having problem in this, and it is very easy chapter beta. Pictorial. What do you understand by this word pictorial? Pictorial से क्या समझते हो? क्या समझ में आ रहा है pictorial से? क्या हो सकता है ये? What could it be? क्या हो सकता है pictorial से related? What this word can be related to? हाँ प्रत्यक्ष? Yes, Pratyaksh. What could this name be? Pictorial. Tell me, tell me.
Ma'am, I don't.
You
Ma'am,
don't know.
pictorial means a picture have pictures.
A picture.
It is also called pictograph.
Yes.
Ma'am, it is pictures.
It is related
It
to
is a
pictures.
picture
Very
that
good.
has many
Yes.
pictures.
It is related to pictures. Representation. What do you mean by representation? What do you mean by representation? To present something. To when you represent that, like you are giving any presentation. To present something is known as representation. To represent means present something. To show something. Present something, that means to show something. Show something. And what do you mean by data? And what do you mean by data? What do you mean by data?
Ma'am, data means anything.
Anything, no. Data does not mean
Ma'am,
anything.
network of computer.
बेटा कंप्यूटर वाला डेटा, हाँ कंप्यूटर वाला भी तो सेम ही डेटा होता है. डेटा का मीनिंग क्या होता है? What do you mean by data?
Ma'am, network. That means information.
Yes, very good. Yes.
Ma'am, information.
Collection of information. Very good. Collection of information. Suppose you are having any information related to anything. Collection of information. It is known as data. जैसे सब क्या होता है, इंफॉर्मेशन हमारे पास जो कलेक्टेड होती है, कलेक्टेड इंफॉर्मेशन होती है. फॉर एग्जांपल आपकी क्लास में जितने स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनकी हाइट्स दी हुई है, तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं? इंफॉर्मेशन. डिफरेंट हाइट्स, यू आर हैविंग दिस इंफॉर्मेशन. सबकी हाइट्स पता है आपको, तो ये इंफॉर्मेशन आपके पास है. दिस इज नोन एज डेटा. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? डेटा. वी कॉल इट एज डेटा. Pictures, when we show the data in the form of pictures, when we show any information in the form of pictures, it is known as data. When we represent any data in the form of pictures, it is known as pictorial representation of data. So pictures में हम कैसे दिखा सकते हैं? एक चीज होती है pictograph. Pictograph. Like you have seen a graph. Have you seen a graph? Like if you have seen different business or in newspapers, if you have seen some graphs like this, ऐसे करके graphs होते हैं. अभी I'll show you some graphs. Okay, just give me a minute. Let me show you some. Yeah, now I'm going to show you graph. Like as you have seen these graphs, like this type of graphs, have you seen in newspapers, in businesses? Have you seen these types of graphs like this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. What is this? This is the pictorial representation of data. ये जब हम बहुत बड़े हो जाएंगे ना, when you will be in higher classes, then you will study about these graphs. ये होते हैं graphs, business वगैरह में. Like these types of graphs are there.
Ma'am, this graphs is for climate.
Different things. Yes, like yes, it is for climate also. But different things, we have different graphs.
It is for GDP also.
Yes, it is for GDP also. Very nice. Who is telling me this thing? Who is telling me this thing?
Ma'am, Numan.
Numan. Very nice, Numan. Very nice, Numan. So see here.
Ma'am, I was thinking Aksar was telling it.
Okay. Very good. If somebody is telling, so these are the graphs. So these are the type of graph. But you are in the classes are not so, you are not in so big classes, you are in smaller classes. So we will learn about the pictograph first. So हम starting उसी की कर रहे हैं. हम क्या पढ़ेंगे? हम graphs पढ़ेंगे. But which type of graph? In the pictograph. That means pictures वाले graph पढ़ेंगे. We will study about the graphs of pictures. पिक्चर्स वाले ग्राफ्स पढ़ेंगे. ग्राफ वी विल स्टडी इन दिस चैप्टर बट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ पिक्चर्स. सो बेटा वो पिक्चर्स फॉर्म में कैसे हो सकता है? लाइक okay, let us take one example here. We will see in class only. There are 13 students present over here. So let's see, we'll make a pictograph here only. हम पूरे क्लास का pictograph बनाते हैं. किसी भी चीज का डेटा लेते हैं पहले. Let us have some data. डेटा क्या होता है? अभी बताया था मैंने. क्या होता है डेटा? Tell me.
Information.
Yes, data is actually information. Data is information. Let's collect some information. There are different students present in class. Now, one by one, let's see who likes which fruit. Now, let us select any 4 fruits. Let us select any 4 fruits. Tell me. पहले 4 fruits बताओ कोई भी.
Ma'am,
Apple,
banana, mango, and grape. Mango, grape. Ma'am,
बस 4 ठीक है. बस 4 ठीक है. Now, one by one, I will ask everyone कि किसको कौन सा फ्रूट पसंद है. One by one, आप अपना माइक ऑन करोगे, जल्दी से बताओगे. ठीक है? Okay. Wait. So first of all, Akshita is going to tell me which fruit she likes most.
Ma'am, mango.
She likes mango. Okay, Akshita, mango. So I'm putting 1 here for Akshita. Haan. Next, Bhavya is going to tell me.
I like banana.
Banana. Okay, Bhavya, switch off your mic. Bhavya के बाद Jaskaran.
Ma'am, apple. Grapes.
Likes apple.
Grapes.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Then
fruits most.
switch off your mics. Jaskaran, switch off your mic. Jaskaran के बाद Manas. Riddhi Agarwal, please switch off your mic. Manas.
Ma'am, mango.
Manas likes mango. Okay. Okay. After Manas, Numan. Numan.
Ma'am, mango. Mango.
Mango, Numan. Okay. Pratyaksh.
Ma'am, mango.
Mango. Okay. After Riddhi. Riddhi. Riddhi, I'm not able to hear. Orange? What is she saying? I'm not able to hear Riddhi. जोर से बोलो बेटा.
Ma'am, I think she is saying banana.
She is saying banana. चलो रिद्धि का banana ले लेते हैं. No issues. Okay. Shaurya.
Ma'am, mango.
Shaurya likes mango. Okay. Sheesh. शीश. शीश आपको माइक ऑन करना नहीं आता है बेटा. माइक ऑन करके बताओ जल्दी से. Which fruit you like most? Which fruit you like most?
Ma'am, what are you saying?
Which fruit you like most, beta?
Mango.
After Sheesh, who is there? Suprema?
Yes, ma'am.
Your favorite fruit is? Out of these?
Mango.
Mango, okay. Then after Suprema के बाद कौन है?
Arhan.
अरहान नहीं है. वेदांशु? वेदांशु?
Ma'am, grape.
Grapes, okay, at least one for grapes. हाँ, यशमित?
Mango.
Mango, okay. युवराज गुप्ता?
Mango.
Again mango, my god, so many mangoes are there. Okay. Now who else is left? Arhan? Arhan?
Ma'am, mango.
Arhan?
Mango.
Mango. Aradhya?
Ma'am, grape.
Grapes. Adya?
Ma'am, grapes.
Grapes. Okay. Now see, this is what.
And you also tell yours.
Acha, mine also you want. Okay, I like banana. Okay, done. चलो हो गया, मेरा भी हो गया. चलो, 1 apple, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 for this, and 1, 2, 3. See, 10, 3, 6, 7, 8 किसी ने नहीं बताया है. कौन रह गया? एक कनिष्का is left. कनिष्का. See beta, if you can see 10, 3, 10, 3, 13, 13, 3, 16, 17, 17 are there. मैंने अपना भी बताया तो total 18 participants are here. जिसमें से कनिष्का ने नहीं बताया तो total 17 told their favorite fruits. Now we have to make a pictograph. Okay? अब हमें इसका pictograph बनाना है. Pictograph क्यों बनाना है? Why we have to make this pictograph? Because beta, it is.
Because.
Why? Tell.
Because to tell information.
Yes, to tell the information easily you can recognize. ये तो बहुत छोटे छोटे, बहुत 14 से 18 स्टूडेंट्स के information तो बहुत सारी होती है. So let us make a pictograph. How we will make a pictograph now? We'll make a chart. Okay. On one side we will write the names of the fruits, and on other side we will write number of students. आप ऐसे भी बना सकते हो, हॉरिजॉन्टली भी बना सकते हो. ठीक है. अब फ्रूट्स के लिए you can choose any picture you can choose. Suppose I am choosing,
because I can join second lecture because second lecture is of division.
you can join. I think Yashwant was asking me about what. Yes, next period में I'll discuss about what. Yashwant, you were asking for?
Ma'am, chapter 8 division.
Geometrical shapes बेटा next period में करेंगे. Division तो अभी इसी period में discuss हो जाएगा. चलो अच्छा देखना.
Okay,
I'll call you निमान. जैसे मैं next topic start करती हूँ, I'll tell you on WhatsApp. ठीक है? मैं WhatsApp पे मैसेज कर दूंगी ग्रुप पर कि I'm going to start this division now. ठीक है? Okay, first let me finish this. This is quick one. Fruits. Okay, let us make one star for one fruit. मैं star भी ले सकती हूँ. I can take any fruit like this also. Circle with the top this. कुछ भी ले सकते हो. You can take any picture as you want. ठीक है? Suppose I'm taking this ball as one fruit. Sorry, here you have to mention the name. Sorry. Apple, banana, mango, and grapes. Okay, so how many apples we have to draw? Only one apple. So I'm just drawing just one here. Now how many bananas I have to draw? 3. So banana ki jagah, if I'm taking this fruit, only 1, 2, and 3. Okay, how many mangoes I have to draw? 10 mangoes I have to draw. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and grapes are 3. 1, 2, 3. Understood? So this is the pictorial representation of data. This is a pictograph. What is this? This is a pictograph. This is the most easy pictograph I have given to you. This is the most easy pictograph. Okay?
Ma'am,
so, और यहाँ पे क्या लिखेंगे? Here one fruit means one student. आप लोग कौन हो? Students हो. So one fruit means one student. One fruit means one student. Okay? Understood?
Okay,
now if I ask you from the picture itself, how many bananas are, which is the most liked fruit? Which is the most liked fruit? Mango.
Mango.
Which is the least liked fruit?
Mango.
Which?
Apple.
Least. See, the word least means very less, very small number, सबसे कम. Okay. Sheesh, beta, I want to confirm one thing. Sheesh, are you able to hear me? I want to confirm something. Sheesh,
Yes, ma'am.
बेटा क्या मेरी आवाज नहीं आती आप तक? कि मुझे ये बताओ, is there any problem in in your audios? क्योंकि जब when I ask you
Yes,
question,
ma'am.
after some time you say, ma'am, what are you saying? Sometime it happens. Is it so? My audios are
Yes,
clear to
ma'am.
you? आप क्या यूज करते हो बेटा? earphones?
Yes, ma'am.
तो बेटा earphones निकाल करके फिर चेक करना, ठीक है? Then you
Okay,
study.
ma'am.
It may be the problem क्योंकि अभी you were asking, ma'am, what are you saying? मेरी आवाज तो वैसे clear है. I know my recordings are coming clearly. That means my voice is clear. Might be problem from your side. Okay, just check it once.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
beta, just all of you. Yes, now see. So here one fruit means one student. This is a pictograph. This whole is a pictograph and we have to mention that here is one whole picture means one student. हम यहाँ एक काम और कर सकते थे. हम यहाँ one picture को two students भी ले सकते थे. One picture means two student. So ये इसका क्या करते फिर हम? तो देखो, this is one whole fruit. We will draw half of it. हम इसका only half बनाते हैं. Half means half of the students. वन का हाफ, इधर टू स्टूडेंट्स लिया है, टू का हाफ कितना होता है? टू का हाफ कितना होता है?
One.
वन. तो इधर वन का हाफ कितना होगा? वन का हाफ, दैट होल मींस टू, तो टू का हाफ कितना हो जाएगा? दिस मींस वन. ठीक है, चलो लेट्स नॉट टेक टू, वी विल टेक ओनली वन स्टूडेंट हियर. विल टेक दिस एज होल. अच्छा, I was telling you about the least. Least का मतलब होता है सबसे कम. Which fruit is not liked by most, is not liked by students?
Apple.
Very good. How many students like which fruit is liked by equal number of students? Which fruit is liked by equal number of students?
Mango. Banana and grape.
Banana and grape.
Banana
and grapes
and
are
grape.
liked by both equal number of students. Acha. How many more students like mango than grapes? How many more students like mangoes than grapes?
10 students.
No.
7 students. 13 students.
नहीं, 13 नहीं है, गलत आंसर है. यशमित is saying 7. See, I asked you how many more students like mango than grapes. देखो, 3. How many more students? 3 students like grapes. And 10 students like 7 more students like grapes. 3 hide कर लिया. 7 more students like grapes.
More means subtract.
More beta, more does not mean subtract. No. This is the wrong concept. More does not mean concept. More does not mean add. Or subtract. Sorry, more does not mean subtract. More means extra. Okay. So 3s are here. 3 जो इसमें है. How many more students? 7 more students like. ठीक है. कितने ज्यादा students को एप्पल मैंगो ग्रेप से ज्यादा पसंद है? कितने ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स को मैंगो और ग्रेप से ज्यादा पसंद है?
Ma'am, can you tell this again?
बेटा, how many more students like grapes than mangoes? अब मैंगोज में देखोगे 10 स्टूडेंट, 10 में से, और ये ग्रेप्स में 3, तो 1 2 3 you hide. How many are left? 7 more students like mangoes than grapes. अच्छा, यश, प्रत्यक्ष, इज इट क्लियर बेटा? और समझाओ इसमें.
No, ma'am.
If you have any question, you can ask me. कि मैम मुझे ये वाला पिक्टोग्राफ समझ
Ma'am,
नहीं आया.
no, ma'am, no question.
Is it all right? Clear to you now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Now shall I call? Okay, Yashmit is here. Let's start, Yashmit. The next, which topic you were saying, Yashmit? Again, tell me, please.
Chapter
8, geometrical shapes. Yes, as per the request of Yashmit, I'm going to teach you geometrical shapes now. अच्छा बेटा, ज्योमेट्रिकल शेप्स तो हो जाएगा. अभी मुझे नेक्स्ट पीरियड में, अब नेक्स्ट पीरियड का अभी मैं बता दे रही हूँ. सिंस नुमान विल बी देयर, नुमान ने मुझसे डिवाइड करने को बोला है. ओके, सो आई विल टीच हिम डिवाइड इन द नेक्स्ट पीरियड. जो इसके बाद जो नेक्स्ट पीरियड होगा 240 2:40 पे जो नेक्स्ट पीरियड है, we will start divide. अच्छा, एक
Yes,
पिक्टोरियल
ma'am, I
रिप्रेजेंटेशन का एक
also
क्वेश्चन
have-
देखो. हाँ बेटा, बोलो बोलो बोलो.
Yes, ma'am, I also have a doubt in division also.
Okay, next period we will do division, and this period we are going to do this pictorial representation of data. Sorry, this geometrical shapes. चलो, let me give you some question. मैं दूँ एक question pictorial representation से. Give me a minute. अभी I'm giving. Now let me share one screen with you, the pictorial representation of data now. Okay, I hope you can see the screen, everyone. Right?
Yes,
Okay, now
ma'am.
see here. Look at this pictograph and answer the following question. How many children like football? So see, if you can see, this is football, cricket, basketball and tennis. Games that children of Tina's class like. Suppose you are Tina and your class like this games. अभी जैसे हमने fruits वाला किया था वैसे ही है ये. ठीक है? And one yellow ball represent 2 children. So what you have to tell, how many children like football? So as you can see here, one ball, football में how many balls are drawn in football? कितनी balls
And
बनती है
five.
football में?
Ma'am,
Five. Five balls है तो
total.
five तो हो गई बेटा वो, और 2 children. One ball का मतलब है 2 children. 2 children plus 2 children plus 2 children. Total there will be 10 children.
10.
So 10. Okay, how many children like tennis? Tell me number of balls. How many number of balls are of tennis?
5.
5.
5.
And
Five.
you multiply 1 by 2. Why you are multiplying by 2? Why we are multiplying it by 2? हम क्यों 2 से multiply कर रहे हैं इसको?
Ma'am, because there are 2 children are playing tennis.
These are playing tennis. So total 10 is there. Which game is liked most? Which game is liked most?
Ma'am, cricket. Ma'am, cricket.
Cricket is liked by most of the students. Okay.
And the number
Why
of
cricket? Beta, why cricket? Why cricket? Beta, why cricket?
Because cricket has more balls.
Because cricket is having more balls. Very good.
More balls.
Okay. How many like it?
The number of children is 16.
How have you calculated it, Yashmit?
Ma'am, what?
How have you calculated it?
9 Ma'am, by multiplying 8 by 2.
See, how many likes cricket? How many students like cricket?
8.
We will multiply it by 2. Why we are multiplying by 2? Why we are multiplying by 2?
Because it is written 2 children.
Because
One
one
ball
ball is equals to 2 children. अगर one ball 5
children.
children की होती तो 5 से multiply कर दे. One ball 6 children की होती तो 6 से multiply कर दे. Which game is like the least? Least क्या होता है?
Bus. Least means basketball. Very less.
Very less. सबसे कम. सबसे कम. So it is like by basketball.
Basketball.
Basketball. And how many like
the
it?
number of children is 8.
Ma'am,
The number of
8 4 multiplied by
football and tennis. Sorry.
4 multiplied by 2 equals to 8.
Yes. Okay. Which two games are liked equally? कौन से दो गेम्स है जो equal like करें?
Tennis and football.
Football and tennis.
Because if you see football, 10 students are there, and in tennis also there are 10 students. So that means both of them 10 students like football, 10 students like tennis. So they are liked by equal number of students, football and tennis. Acha, Pratyaksh is here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Pratyaksh, now you are able to understood it? Are you able to
Yes,
understand
ma'am.
it? Any
Yes,
problem,
ma'am.
Pratyaksh, now?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now, beta, first of all, everyone. Okay. Now, tell me, everyone, is there anyone? Wait a second. Okay. Now everyone, I'm asking from all of you. Why are you laughing? कौन क्या कर रहा है? मैं भी तो देखूं कौन क्या क्या कर रहा है. Why is everyone is laughing? We will discuss
Ma'am, but
division
tomorrow
in
is
next
no-
period. हाँ मानस क्या बोल रहे हो?
Ma'am, but tomorrow is no classes, extra classes.
Tomorrow is not class. Yes, tomorrow is not class. I know very well. But beta, we can do day after tomorrow. Thursday को one class
Yes,
है.
ma'am.
Thursday ko there is only one class.
Yes,
I
and
hope you noted down the
Saturday,
timetable. Yes, this period is
Yes,
going to
ma'am.
be over, and you just
It's to my parent number.
okay, beta.
Ma'am,
हाँ,
ma'am,
बोलो.
I have to revise chapter 8.
रिवाइज चैप्टर 8 यशमित को भी वही रिवाइज करना है. तो अभी क्या करेंगे बेटा? पहले हम अभी जी आपका यूटीज में भी आने वाला है डिवीजन, तो पहले डिवाइड कर लेते हैं पहले रिवाइज, ठीक है? फिर उसके बाद चैप्टर 8 करा दूंगी. ओके जसकरण, अभी नेक्स्ट पीरियड में हम चैप्टर 8 करने वाले हैं. वो